One best practice implemented by Central Luzon State University, Distance Open and Transnational University, or DAT-UNI, is the adaptation of Canvas elements, a powerful learning platform that streamlines course delivery, grading, and communication with students. This platform offers useful analytics, allowing faculty to track students' performance and make data-driven decisions. To ensure that educators make the most of this technology, that uni provides comprehensive training, allowing them to create engaging and effective learning experience. By adopting Canvas, the university ensures it meets quality standards while aligning with its strategic goals of fostering globally competitive, socially responsible, and empowered students. Also, Canvas elements enhances the university's ability to offer flexible learning opportunities to a diverse range of students, including foreigners, working professionals, and Filipinos abroad. This aligns with CLSU's mission to be an inclusive institution that meets the need of learners, regardless of location or background. With this modern platform, that Uni optimizes teaching and learning processes while strengthening its global outreach. It equips students with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in a rapidly evolving digital world. Through this effort, CLSU stand out one of the best open and distance education in Central Luzon.